Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and show you how you can overlay a white background on a story in the Instagram app. Subscribe to our channel, write your comments, don't forget to put likes. And let's get started. So, first of course, we're going to open up the Instagram app. And now we're going to need to swipe down to the left side of the screen to go to the camera where we set up our Instagram stories. And now we're going to tap in this row of signs on the very first one, the letters. And as you can see, we go to the backgrounds. In order to change the background, you have to click on this button down here in the right-hand corner. And as you can see, that's how you change the backgrounds. And now we're down to the white background. You can choose absolutely any one that suits you. Once you've chosen your background, you can add terrain, tag people, add some GIFs, avatars, music polls, pause, add a photo, add some stickers, time, and so on. In order to put your story on Instagram, this is the way you can put a white background or some other background on your Instagram story. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Write your comments for sure and put your likes. And until new meetings, friends.